Today we are going to learn about narration. Narration means speech. Speech, that means talking, speaking. We know that there are two kinds of narration. Number one, direct, and number two, indirect. Its another name is direct. It will be indirect. If I give an example, direct narration, he said, I am ill. This is direct narration. Here is two parts. One part is he said and another part is I am ill. This is reporting verb, and this is reported speech. In order to know the reporting verb, we know 5 kinds of sentence. There are number 1, assertive, interrogative, then imperative, then optative, and last one exclamatory. Reporting verb will be changed when reported speech will be this type of 5 sentences. Reported speech, if the reported speech is assertive, then reporting verb said will be said or told. Reporting verb speech, if the reported speech is interrogative, then reporting verb will be told, ask. If reported speech imperative, then reporting verb will order, then advise, then etc. If the reported speech operative sentence, then reporting verb will be may or wished or paid. If reported speech exclamatory sentence, then reporting verb will be exclaim with joy or exclaim with sorrow. This is reporting verb changed. Reporting verbs will be changed according to these 5 kinds of sentences. Assertive, if the reported speech assertive, it will be told or said. Then interrogative, it will be asked. Then imperative, it will be order, command, advice. If this is operative sentence, it will be pray or wished, exclamatory, exclaim with joy, exclaim with sorrow. This is changing the reporting verb. Then reported speech will be changed according to the tenses. Finally, we know that direct and indirect narration. Direct narration changed into indirect narration. We have to follow 5 kinds of sentences. and 12 kinds of tenses. Reported speech, if the reported speech present indefinite, it will be past indefinite. If the reported speech present continuous, it will change the past continuous. If the reported speech present perfect, it will be change the past perfect. This is way. It will give an example. He said, I am ill. This is reported speech and this is reporting verb. It will be indirect narration. He said that he was ill. Direct to indirect narration, we have to work another course. This is inverted comma. This inverted comma will be changed the 5 kinds of sentences. If the reported speech is present indefinite or assertive sentence, it will be that. If the reported speech interrogative, it will be if বা whether. If the reported speech imperative sentence, it will be to. Inverted comma, according to the inverted comma, it will be to. If the reported speech optative sentence, it will be to. If the exclamatory sentence, it will be that. This is direct to indirect narration. If the another sentences, if we see the another sentences direct, he said, I am eating rice. If we change indirect narration, firstly we know that said reporting verb, this is inverted comma, this is present continuous tense. We have to follow the what kind of tenses and what kind of sentences. This sentences is assertive sentence and present continuous tense. So reporting verb will be said. The inverted comma will be changed that. This is why. This is present indefinite tense. Inverted comma changed that. Then person will be changed. First person follow the reporting verb subject. So I will be he. This is present continuous tense. It will be past continuous tense. He was eating rice. This is where we will change direct to indirect. Thank you very much.